For the 2019 model year, Mini is rolling out a slew of updates to its current 2- and 4-door hardtop models and a convertible. It's a very modest revision in most respects. From the front, the only real change is to the headlights. The LED running lights that encircle the main lighting element now illuminate in a full circle, and that full circle flashes amber to function as a turn signal. The sides are also virtually unchanged, but coming around to the back you'll find the most obvious change. No longer are the taillights simple rounded rectangles with circles inside. Now the lighting elements are fully LED and in the shape of the Union Jack, the British flag. It's executed well, but it's a little silly. What's next? A horn that plays rule. Britannia? How about appending the initials HMS ahead of the Cooper name? We kid, but we do worry a little about Mini focusing too much on kitschy British references. Other exterior updates include 3 new metallic colors called Emerald Grey, Starlight Blue, and Solaris Orange. They can be joined by the Piano Black package that swaps the chrome around the light and grille for gloss black. The custom Mini Euros fender badges and lights that are made with 3D printing or laser engraving are also available. The interior is mostly unchanged. Bluetooth connectivity is now standard across the board, along with a 6.5-inch infotainment screen. There are new options, too. Both 2- and 4-door Mini hatches can be ordered with malt brown Chesterfield leather. Like the exterior, the interior has a piano black trim option. It adds gloss black trim throughout, along with a panel on the passenger side with a Union Jack motif. That motif has transparent sections that light up in the same color as the driver's selectable interior lighting. An updated 8.8-inch touchscreen, infotainment system and wireless phone charging are also options.
Yeah.